I've been working really hard on solving some math word problems. Can you do me a favor and help me check my work? Oh, thank you. All right, so what you need is you need to get the paper that has all my work on it that looks like this and a dry erase marker. Pause the video to get your materials. All right, I'm so excited that you're willing to help me out. You know, sometimes I work very quickly and I kind of make mistakes sometimes. That's right, friends, we all make mistakes. So I'm going to need your help. You're going to be a little math detective. I really want you to look at my math drawings today. So I'm going to read you the word problem, and then I'm going to talk to you about my drawing. And then you're going to fix any errors I made. We'll talk about that in just a minute. Let's start at the very top of this page where you see all my squares. Thumbs up if you're there. All right. Elliam has 9 toy blocks. Some are large and some are small. Draw a picture and write a number sentence to show his toy blocks. Well, here's my number sentence that I wrote. He has 9 toy blocks. Some of them are large and some of them are small. So I broke 9 into 2 parts. Here's my math drawing that I did. I decided to do squares because, you know, the story was about blocks. I tried to make them different sizes and I put them all down and drew them. So, I mean, I have 9. Can you, over here on this space, can you find the error that I made in my math drawing and correct it for me? That means with your dry erase marker, can you draw what my math drawing should look like when I practice being accurate and clear with my pictures? Pause the video to draw what my math drawing should really look like. All right, now that you have it drawn, I need you to make a video on Seesaw. Describe the mistake I made and show me what you did to fix it and what my math drawing should really look like. After you've made your video on Seesaw, come on back.